Kini dari Kedudukan Meghalaya, bagi pedang sampai pi baru saya kini ketuk kubur jungi mata janmin. Syaban paj ki kubur ki bebenyak ini pecuai kimat berkongsan. Menjur kekenhun Menteri Jangka Sarkar Pedang menpenrungi kikitin Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese bat Bengali, kum kicai kitin balarim. Penkrek ke Meghalaya banyo ke Medical College, jong kiri shimet ke Beningkong Tam, dah kajik pediang ke NMC ya ke PA Sangma National Medical College jong ke USTM. Kentat ke Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board, ya kijing kenok bagi don kijing bakla ha kajing penmi ya ke result tungkam, jong ki staff nurse bat ki ANM. Pensanggit sipol ke sarkar ke PET ke jing tungkam ya ki SI driver bat kinong apahara nak kadau ke jing joslap. Ki khubor ki babenya Kekenhun Menteri bala penyak du Menteri rang bak du keri Narendra Modi kala pediang menpenrungi kikitin bala rim kata ke Marathi, Pali, Prakrit, Assamese bat Bengali. Kini kikitin bala rim kilongkum kinong penek pensa ya keriti dustur bala rim jong keri India. Kebekentup ya kejing kerpang jong kewei pekewei kejing saknam kejai ben riu bat umau jam jong keriti dustur. Kesorkar kelarai ben penmi sa kewei ketup jong kijai kitin. Kum kijai kitin bala rim haka khat artarik urisau arajar sau. Ben yo jing itu kum kijai kitin bala rim kidei ben long ki bala don haka jinglong nadu ki pormen berim. Habashim ya ke history ka bala palat shi hajar senam bat ka kenhon jong ka thok katar. Haka juk ka por lingba ka rensan social media umodi uloong ba ka sarkar jongi ka dap da ka jing kemen ban rakhe ya ka jing rius pa ka history kari bat kiriti dostor. Kejela Meghalaya kala penkre ban yo ya ke Medical College jong ki riu shimet ke Beningkong Tam ha ke ba ke National Medical Council kala pediang PA Sangma International Medical College jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM dakani kejela kanla ban yo shu sa sau potli ki medical seat na ka benta usnem arhajar arphosau hadu arphosan habashim langi ka jingdon jongki balalit puli MBBS ka balakot menta sha ka shispa lai potli habakli halor ka jingshnaya ka jaka puli ka menteri ka tanat ka koi ka kya ikong amperin lingdo ila ong baladap pan penbyang na dong shadong katkum ka jingdon kam jong kane ka NMC.
Studies now becomes open to the students of Meghalaya interested in pursuing MBBS seats. 20 of those seats will be fully scholarshiped. 20 of the seats will be under full scholarship. 20 of the seats will also be under half payment of fees. Altogether, 40 seats. We thank the USTM and we hope that the students of the state of Meghalaya will benefit greatly from this great opportunity that has come.
Kanong ilam kaseng National People's Party kabalongru ka menteri katanat kakoi kakya ikong amperin lingdo. Ilakintu ikinong song ban omkren benkren kho ikinong sain perthei bat ban bishari ki katkum kakam bakilah trei bat kajinglong jongki ilapan pai kitien halor kajing kentho baka sarkar jilla kapen pawe kajing her pateng kinong sensyar na kajo kalong yeng bat kajing le siliang khamat haka jing thung ya ka agata sangma kum ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights.
What do you mean nepotism? Doesn't performance count? Doesn't experience count? What else do you want? She would be the ideal person for the job.
Ka Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board kala kentat ya gijing keno baki don gijing bakla ha gijing penmi ya ki result thungkam jong ki nurse bat ki ANM I member secretary jong ka NMSRB I Dr. L Milliam Umlong ila pensyai bakarukam thungkam kala buat perkhingkat kup ki kendon ila batai baki don shispan repusau teli ki kambalat jong ki staff nurse bat nyo popratli jong ki ANM ladap pelat ningkong ya ka list baladap ban penbait henry laweng no hadian balat na gijing snotho bakla ya ka list bakhado on sa penmi hadian baladep ban pet benia ikikot kisla kajing bakla bala penmi haka list bakan top iki duplicate roll number ladap ban penbet
very fair and transparent manner. Why do we have extra? We on doing 3.3 times again, since there is no negative markings, there are so many candidates who are getting same marks. So we have to draw the line. Whom do we call? Had we received the application before, supposing the date of birth, supposing if we have to take the date of birth, then maybe we will be able to determine. But since at the time of application, we allow all the applicants. We allow all the applicants to appear. Hence, we could not verify. That is also the reason why there was an extra 46 list. Again, I would like to inform you, this list, it's still not a final list. It's just a select list. It's just a preparation for the verification of the documents.
Kataran jungok kai negas ngi kala penlong ke Adventure Tourism Conclave ke Beningkong State Convention Center. Kesebut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Odisha ke Pravati Perida, lambat Menteri Ketenat Kam jungok kai ubak poling do, kilawan banyadon bentalang ha ke jingalang, ha ke ni ke jingalang la sakhi ke jingwan ye shim benta jong ki dekat nagi jela ke than chatai lam mingi. Habakren ha ke jingalang hadin ke jing pli kesebut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Odisha ke la kren ban pha ki kenhun self help group ki kentai na Odisha bakin tip halo ke rukom shim jat nga ke kemi. Ha ke baki kentai ki don ye ke kerdan ke bakirpang ha ke imlang ke salang ha ke juk ke pon ubak pol ulaong ba ke ni ke jingalang kalong ke rensan ban pli ke lat ban yoi ke jing riu spa ke kam jungok kai ha Meghalaya.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Odisha visiting us and joining the conclave as the chief guest. Apart from that, we have representatives from various states of the northeast, and also UP. Their tourism minister addressed the gathering virtually, and we have the Indian Express group, which has a wide presence in the country as the media partner of the event, and this provides visibility to Meghalaya tourism.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K. Sangma la play pai ba ya karera para substation ha Southwest Garo Hills Hinin gasngi. La te ya kini ke substation ha pok gajing bay tingka Asian Development Bank project ke bertemu ban pen bhai ke jing sam boarding ha ka than ban pendunai ke jing lip line bat ban kham pen klan ya ke jing shai ka lai. La te ya kini da ka ACDC bat ka Saidi built on private limited. La kemi lenti ba kini ka project kan ai jing mentoy ya bonteli ki shnong ban pen bet ya ke jing thot ke jing sam boarding ha ka te ka than. Ukanrat ula banjur bakani ke substation kan la banwan ra ke roi ke par ha ke than ba ula penbena ban mang praklor tingka ban siem ya ke surok ha ke than. Kasorkan Meghalaya kala pensangit sipor ya ka physical efficiency test PET ha ke bantungkam ya ki sub inspector driver bat kinong ap pahara na kadaw ka jingjor palat uslap. Menteri ubak coming wan umban ula penbena bagi nong tap kam kila pendap ya ka PET ha ka lai bat Sautrik Urisau kin hab ban ya le biang ya ka test namar ka jing snio palat kamadan ka bakta ya ka jing le jengki ya ka test kerukom thungkam bala penya da ka home guard bat civil defense directorate ka thmu ban pendap ya ki kam balai bakan thop ki nong apahara sub inspector bat driver on sepentip ki nong tap kam halor ka tarik bala penben.
The rain is come around on the 2nd and the 3rd, yesterday only. Then I got a lot of complaints from the candidate regarding that playground. That's why this morning I called all officers. We went for inspection around 6:30 like that this morning to the playground. When we reached there, we saw by own eyes the playground is not fit. Then we called a meeting, emergency meeting this morning only. We decided to stop this recruitment. We postpone this recruitment, and after the rain stopped, then we'll inform to all the candidates through website, through phone call, when will be the date to start a new recruitment.
Karibhoy Youth Federation Central Body balalam kemadu Presiden ubak Bipul Tangkio ulaya kendo medical superintendent jangka civil hospital nongpo hanya resmi. Lapan longi gani kejing yalang hadin bala yok pediang ye kejing ujon nagi babon hakabaya day bat kejing bom burom iki nong pang dagi nong tray ke hospital. Hakani kejing yakren ke RBYF kalapan pau yo shibun teli kimat paya day bat kerukam trekam jangka civil hospital nongpo. Hakabakila kentu medical superintendent ban shim kia yakani ka kam bat ban penshitom yaki nurse bat kinong tray. Kumbala pawa ki report halor ka jing bom burom jangki yaki nong pang shushu ka RBYF kala kentu ya ka sarkar ban pleno kloy ya ka MHC hospital ha umran parila.
Ipan ke cepat negara government bahkan le no mardor para kaju upon na kalian jungi ingin ai lu bajing ko sai minister badan burom jungi jongka health department bat unjuk kopi ingin sapha bat sai CM ban le ban plino kat ban nak keluar ya ketika hospital kemudian apa umran yang pernah
Kekenhuan ki samla na kasnong mausmai katway bat kat armer haribhoy lakeno bakila syak bom syak tiet ki pulit ka Assam ha kemit jong ka arterik Urisau Hajarabat ha kabaya day bat kani kinong snong jong ka mausmai katway mer kila penlong ya ka jingalang hapo ka jingalam urang ba snong uba Petrus Shakwa bat kila ya ra ya ka dorkas syak deputy commissioner Karibhoy district bandawa ya ka jingweng no ya ka khadop bala penyang ki pulit ka Assam hapo put usam ka Meghalaya.
Area will go to Meghalaya side, to the Assam side. Bangin, I know what we talk, the ODC, Nang, Bannon, City, not the Juni, but Bakin IDP, the police, Manera, not Bankuli, Yakini, don't be at
Ke National Book Trust India ka bahap hapok katanat puli puthi ka sarkar pedeng kalapin na ban pelong ya ka Shillong Book Fair ha kasing ka baar kapan sedang nadu ka santarik haduk ka khatlai tarik Urisau arajar phosau la pelong ya kani da gajing thumu ban kring ya kiriu et puli kot ka Shillong da gajing pai khamat khamtam shaki samla ba ki khna o principal secretary jong katanat arts and culture uba FR khakongor ulapan pau halor ka jing et puli kot kinong Shillong da ka bapan pau halor ka jing penmi ka Shillong ya kinong tho badon sam kibalayo jing itu ha ka perthai
हर हाथ एक किताब
many languages one nation so are you also
we are expecting that there will be very high footfalls and there's an innate interest amongst amongst the citizens of Shillong about books, and Shillong has produced many writers also who have published at Sahitya Academy. Some of them are doing very well internationally, like Janice Pariat and so on and so forth. So I think this will also inculcate this reading habit. We have seen the perils of the mobile technology in the recent past, and we are sure that with these efforts from the National Book Trust along with the state government, that it will help to wean them away from technology.
Katanat District Disaster Management Authority kala pelong ya ka mock drill ha secretariat but additional secretariat ban hikai ki brio ban long ki bala kre la rajya ka jingwan len shop ka mariang ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District ikong RM Kurba ila batai halor ka jingkong san jongkum kini ki drill haba ila penshai jong ka jingdon ka jela ha zone 5 ikong Kurba ila ong ba ka jing pen kre ka long ka bakong san ban ya kun persha la da wan ki jing e ban ai ka jing sumar babyang po na kabenta ki ba mensaw hakani ka mock drill ka thumu ban pelong ki brio ki bala pen kre ban kampen state ya ka por ban pendon ka jingya sha hapdeng ki borsen sha district kurkum ai jing shakri bakir ke bat ki nong shong shnong
incident happen you are aware of what is behind the scenes because most of the time the public or even us in the offices, various officers, we are not aware of what exactly the disaster management agency or SDMF or any other agency that is involved in ensuring that life is safe and that they, the injured are taken to the hospital or for first aid or any kind of necessary action that is required.
Kaswach Bharat Mission Gramin haka district kala pelong ya kajing rakhe kum shibenta jong Kaswach Bharat Divas ya kabala ai kerteng Kaswach ta hi seva ha Bishop Hall Nongsan lawan banya shibenta haka ni ka program du MLA Karambrai Jerngam ORG Mumin kani kajing rakhe kala long karensan ban ito bat buram ya kajing trai shitom kishnong kitau bat ki volunteer ki balum ya kinyut ki balano senyang shibun ha ka banwan ra ya kajing khu ya kini kishnong bat ha ka district hi baro kawai matapat ngini pe jilong juman kasumdeng hasilong kajing khat kalong khat 0.1 degree celsius par kajing shet kalong khat khandai 0.2 degree celsius kajing sngam khau hau kalong shispa na ka shispa ha ka por men step pat khandai polai na ka shispa ha ka por janmet kajing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm kala bandon kajing hap slap ka bamalu mala bat kajing tiet uperthat habun ki jaka shoban poi shga bakut jong ka thup kubon ni pe byang sa chisin ki mat bakangsan Menjur kekenhuan menteri jangka sarkar Pedang dan pendung hitin Marathi, Bali, Prakrit, Assamese dan Bengali kum kijak hitin Marathi. Konkret ka Meghalaya ban yo ega medical college jangka Shimet pada lingkang tam dan kejing Pedang ke NMC ke PA Sangma International College jangka USDF. Kentai ka Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Board kejing kenok bagi dan kejing baklah kejing permit ke resort income contoh staff nurse bagi AN. Bat pensengek shibor ke sarkari ke PET kejing income di SI driver ke kenok apahara nak kedai junjung Islam. Tipolok katong ila poisya bukut juk katup kubor jeng imta ka janmit hadu begin syam biang mat pila syai kesngi kublai pi barok.